Cedar Key traffic, Skyhawk, November 2168 Yankee, about 6 miles to the north now. We'll be amending our altitude to 2,000 feet, flyover for the traffic.
Cedar Key traffic, 28 Delta is 2 miles southeast, 4 inbound for left downwind for 23, Cedar Key.
Man, I do not see that runway.
Is it that straight line right there, or?
It should be running like this. I've never flown here, so, I mean, I guess it's understandable. We're just going to make sure.
Oh, is it that? On that further island going like...
Yeah, that's got to be it. Okay, so we got some aircraft in the pattern. That's got to be it. Okay.
US Total traffic, Cherokee 55739 is 4 miles.
We'll just keep it at 2,000 feet past there. And, if it looks like it's...
Cedar Key traffic, 28 Delta is entering midfield left downwind for 23, Cedar Key.
Midfield left downwind. For 23, so we should be able to see him by now.
Delta is turning left base, runway 23, Cedar Key.
That's gotta be the runway right there.
That is a runway, it's gotta be. I'm just looking for him.
I don't see...
It's on left base, he should be very close to it.
Traffic, Cherokee 55739 is 2 miles east, on the 45, downwind for runway 19, full contact.
Carlo traffic, that's terminal to platform 3 territory, is entering left downwind for runway 5. Cedar Key, 28 Delta is base to final, runway 23, Cedar Key.
Oh, I see him.
28 Delta is November 2168 Yankee, got you in sight, no factor.
Roger that, thank you, sir.
I'm just off your about 9 o'clock high. Or excuse me, 3 o'clock high.
That's a tiny ass runway.
Total traffic, Cherokee's entering the downwind on the 45, runway 19.
That's cool, we can watch him do his landing. Got him in sight?
The traffic is turning left base, runway 18, full stop power.
There he is.
Cedar Key traffic, Skyhawk November 2168 Yankee, just about midfield, 1,800 feet over flying the field.
Man, it is packed. I don't know if we're going to find a parking spot.
Really?
Yeah. See where he parks. I'm guessing he's going to take that end spot there. Unless, if he moves to the back, then we'll have a spot right there in the end. We can push back.
Okay.
I'm not sure what he's going to do though.
Cedar Key traffic, Skyhawk November 2168 Yankee. We're circling overhead about 2,000 feet. All traffic be advised.
It's pretty. This is where we would be staying on this portion here.
Oh.
Aircraft on the ground in Cedar Key. Any parking spots available down there?
Careful traffic, experimental 543 are in final for towards main side.
Yeah, pretty.
Yeah.
I tell you what, let's go ahead and land.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and land. I'm going to try to park in that last spot right there. There might be a spot for me to push back. And we'll probably just pull off and shut down right there and then figure out what to do with the plane.
Okay.
Okay.
Cedar Key traffic, Skyhawk November 2168 Yankee. We'll go ahead and be entering a left downwind. Runway 23 will be a full stop, Cedar Key.
Camp 7 Charlie Alpha overhead. Umatilla entering downwind for 19.
It's such a pretty island.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get ourselves set up here to do a little landing action.
Flying down in the traffic, 220 Bravo is departing to the north.
Landing lights on.
Okay, traffic, you have a Piper Cup about 10 miles to the southeast landing, Cedar Key.
Downwind 15. Cedar Key traffic, Skyhawk November 2168 Yankee on a left downwind, runway 23 will be a full stop, Cedar Key.
There's some altitude there.
Northbound Barron along the coast of the N229. Cedar Key traffic, Skyhawk 567 Delta is 15 miles to the east and we're inbound for a full stop on runway 23.
Yeah, I don't know where they're going to park.
Cedar Key traffic, Skyhawk November 2168 Yankee, turn left base for runway 23, Cedar Key.
I need to slow us down here. Hang on, you might feel a little G.
Okay.
There we go. Put some flaps in.
Cedar Key traffic, Skyhawk November 2168 Yankee, base the final runway 23, full stop, Cedar Key.
Okay. And I'm going to do this to 20 degree flaps here. Keep a little bit of speed in. And we got crosswind for left, so we'll do a left down, wing down, and take the rudder to the right when we land. That's the shortest landing I've ever done.
Wow.
Shortest paved field at least. Yeah, where the hell are we gonna put this thing?
Well, there's one people there trying to get theirs started.
Are they?
Yeah.
I guess I could just put that right here.
Don't get stuck. Like, lane block you.
Got this down.
Push back pretty quick because we got aircraft coming. We'll make sure we make room for them. Everything's off. You're all good there. Mixer's out.